In this video, I will show you step by step on how you can actually use Google Trend for YouTube video idea, step by step tutorial without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you're new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell so each time I post content about Google Trend or YouTube topic, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how to use Google Trend for YouTube video idea step-by-step tutorial. So let's welcome back, friends. So let's see how to use Google Trend for YouTube video content idea without any stress. So let's begin. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you open up your browser. Then you have to come to search engine right here and make sure you type in Google Trends, then press enter key on your keyboard. So let's see the result. All right, so you have to click on the very first result right here, which is Google Trends. So click on that. All right, so it's going to take you to this particular page right here. So you can scroll down and see what is trending right now in your country. Okay, but for us to use Google Trend for YouTube video content idea, what we want to do is to make sure we navigate to Explore tab from the top right here. So Explore tab, we have to click on that. All right, so it's going to open up into this page. Next thing you want to do is to try to do a comparison of topic. That will give you a kind of confidence if the content is actually a YouTube hot demand topic. Okay, so let's try with how to create. So I'm going to type in how to create Facebook ad. So it can be any topic. Okay, then I'm going to press enter key on my keyboard. So let's see the result. All right, so from the statistics right here, we have graphically that shows that people are actually looking for how to create Facebook ads. Okay, now we want to define this particular keyword for people that search for the content only on YouTube. So the first thing we need to do is to define the country. So if you want to target some particular country that you want them to be watching your YouTube video, so you can determine that from this section right here. So I'm going to click on this Nigeria here. So you can decide to choose some country in this section, just like I explained earlier. So you can decide to choose Algerian people, Americans. You can also scroll down and see more different country to target right here. But in some cases, you may decide to target worldwide. So if we are to target worldwide, we have to click on here. So if you select worldwide, the graphical result is going to show more people about this particular topic. So you can see we have people from Nigeria right here, which is the top in chart. We have Pakistan, we have Philippines, we have Bangladesh, and we have Malaysia, etc. Then we have about 12 regions that look for this particular topic on Google. Now we want to refine and define this in a YouTube content only. So for us to do that, we have to navigate to website, then we have to make sure we select YouTube search. Okay, so from result right here, there was no actual result for this particular topic on YouTube. Now we still need to test run more things about this particular keyword before we can actually decide that this is a dead keyword for YouTube video content. Now we can come to the duration right here. So we click on from past 12 months. So let's take a look at 5 years, past 5 years. All right, so our search term remain worldwide. These are our keyword frame, worldwide, past 5 years, all category, then YouTube search. Now let's take a look at the graph. So by the time I scroll down, you see that these are the people, this topic here trend in the between the period of 2023 and see high demand of this particular topic. So we can scroll down and we get to see more information about this. Now we still have only 12 regions, despite the fact that we tried to take this into about 5 years ago to the present. Okay, so we can scroll down and see more information about this particular keyword. Now at this section here, we can still consider related query. So right here, we have to come to the top right here. We click on rising and we click on top. So right here, we have how to create a Facebook, how to create ads on Facebook, create ad on Facebook, how to create ads in Facebook, how to create Facebook account. then how to create Facebook page. Okay, now these are just similar topic that you can create based on this particular Facebook ad topic. Now we can try to consider another topic if eventually we are not satisfied. Most especially this particular keyword right here, it has a very low demand. In the past, about 4 years ago, you can see this topic here begin to rise as at 2023. So which simply means that people are still in demand of this particular content on YouTube. Okay, so we can scroll to the top and try to consider and check another topic. Let's take a look at another topic as far as this is concerned. So let's say how to upload YouTube video as another topic, then enter. So from the graph right here, we have two different things. So this blue right here stands for how to create Facebook ad account and how to create a Facebook ad, while the second graph here indicates how to upload YouTube video. Okay, now if you take a look at this graph right here, you see that this content is in demand between since 2019 up till this moment, 2024. People are still searching for this particular keyword on YouTube. If you take a look at the second graph, which has to do with Facebook, you see that it has a very low traffic and very low demand for the particular topic. All right, so let's scroll down and check on the region, the people that actually search for this particular keyword. Now, if you take a look at this, Nigeria here, we have 44% of people that are looking for how to upload YouTube video. Then for Australia, Canada, Philippines, Malaysia. So let's switch from here and switch to how to upload YouTube video. These are the countries that are much demand for this particular content on YouTube. So we have about 26 regions that demand for this particular topic of how to upload YouTube video. Okay, then we can swipe and see more country. So we have Greece, Netherlands, we have Egypt, Germany, and Italy. So we can swipe and see more and more. So we have United States, Pakistan, Bangladesh. Now this particular topic right here, we can still track some country out of this particular topic. Let's, for instance, we want to track only people from United States. We have to come to the top right here. So we have to click on worldwide. Then we look for United States. We can easily scroll down like this, or we type in the keyword of American or United States. Then we're going to see the result. So United States is here. So let's click on that. All right, so here is the result. So this result shows that there are a lot of people from United States of America demanding for this particular topic. And these are their states, such as they are from, some of them are from Florida, some of them are from Texas, New York, California, Utah, and they have about 31 sub-regions that demand for this type of content on how to upload YouTube video. Okay, so if I were you, I will be much glad to take the topic of how to upload video on YouTube and create content around it. Okay, so we can scroll down and see more related topic as far as how to upload YouTube video is concerned. So we have to come to the rising right here. So if I click on rising, let's take a look at the top rising from the point here. So top rising, what we have here is upload video to YouTube, how to upload video to YouTube, how to upload to YouTube, and how to upload, etc. So they have about 20 query right here as far as how to upload video on YouTube is concerned, basically for people that come from America. So if you want to target people by country, so this simply means that there will be a lot of these people in your channel. So let's take a look at the number of years right here. Let's change from 5 years ago to about 12 months calendar and see how far people are still demanding for how to upload YouTube video as a YouTube content idea. So you can see right here that people are still asking for this, despite the fact that this is a very new, so you can see it right here. people are still in demand of this particular topic, including how to run Facebook ads. So, but right here, the topic on how to upload YouTube video has more traffic compared to how to run Facebook ads. So based on the country right here, you can imagine this one here is a single country, while the Facebook ad has to do with all country, that is worldwide. Okay, now if I were you, I would decide to make use of this particular topic right here and create content around it. But nevertheless, we can still test run this particular topic on YouTube. So what I'm going to do is to make sure I copy the title right here. Then I'll head over to YouTube platform. Then I'll come to the search engine right here. I'll just paste the title right here, how to upload YouTube video, then search. All right, so take a look at this one right here. Just one day ago, this video has 11,000 views. So let's scroll down and see more. So take a look at this one. 4 years ago, this one has 3.4 million views. So you can see there are huge traffic on this particular topic right here. So this simply means that if you create content around this type of topic, there is a potential of you getting more ranking and getting more traffic and more view to your channel. So take a look at this one here, how to upload video on YouTube. This one got about 241,000 views in the last 7 months right here. So take a look at another one right here. This one about 4 years ago, it got about 2.6 million views. That's very huge on how to upload video on YouTube. So let's scroll down and see more related content about how to upload video on YouTube. So take a look at this one right here. This one is just 4 months ago. 4 good months ago, how to upload videos and shots from your phone. So imagine this is another topic as far as uploading video on YouTube is concerned. Take a look at this one right here. This one is 11 months ago, how to upload video on YouTube from your phone in 2023. So these are all the tactics and strategies on how you can actually use Google Trend for YouTube video content idea. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful and you love to get more content about YouTube strategies and how to grow on YouTube is concerned, consider to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.